Want a smarter way to manage your schedule on your Android phone? Dola AI lets you create reminders, schedule meetings, and organize your day using simple conversations. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Dola AI on Android, from setting it up to managing your daily tasks with ease. So let's get started. If Dola AI is available as an Android app in your region, download and install it from the Google Play Store. If not, access Dola AI through its supported mobile platform or web interface. Then sign in with your existing account or create a new one. After signing in, follow the setup process. Grant permissions for notifications if you'd like to receive reminder alerts, and connect your preferred calendar to keep your events synchronized across devices. Once everything is set up, spend a moment exploring the main interface. Depending on your version of Dola AI, you'll see a chat window, your upcoming reminders, scheduled events, and quick access to create new tasks. Tap the message box and type a reminder using everyday language. For examples, you could write, "Remind me to attend my team meeting tomorrow at 9 in the morning." Dola AI will recognize the request and prepare the reminder automatically. You can also create calendar events by describing the meeting or appointment along with its date and time. Review the event details before confirming, and Dola AI will add it to your schedule. If your plans change, open any reminder or event and update its details or remove it completely. Keeping your schedule current helps ensure your notifications remain accurate. Finally, check that Android notifications are enabled for Dola AI. This allows you to receive reminder alerts and meeting notifications exactly when you need them. And that's how to use Dola AI on Android. With everything set up, you can manage reminders, organize meetings, and stay on top of your schedule using simple, natural conversations. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.